We have some big news surrounding Shiba Inu and the current stock and crypto market. So be sure to smash the like button if you are holding on to Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu is the new coin on the Robinhood listing update. So there is a new change.org petition for the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency coin to be listed on Robinhood, the stock trading app that allows people to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In fact, a change.org spokesperson told Newsweek that the petition has become the 10th largest petition on the website for the month of May. What do you guys think? Should there be Shiba Inu listed on the Robinhood app? Comment below. So the Shiba Inu petition was to get 200,000 signatures. So far it has reached about 165,000 signatures. And the Dogecoin, the meme-based cryptocurrency that rivals SHIB coin, is available on Robinhood. So if Dogecoin is on Robinhood, then Shiba Inu must be listed as well. But the legendary investor Warren Buffett said at the beginning of May that stock trading apps like Robinhood are similar to gambling. Robinhood being a gambling website? I don't think so, Warren. There is way more profits and investors are joining Robinhood daily. Warren Buffett said the apps make it easier to invest, which turns investing into a gambling-like experience. What do you guys think of Warren Buffett and his comments on Robinhood? Do you agree or disagree? So CNBC also reports that Buffett said at the time that the Robinhood app has become a very significant part of the casino aspect. The casino group of people that has joined into the stock market in the last year say that there's no issue using the apps, but it can't be the only way to invest. There's nothing illegal about it, there's nothing immoral, but I don't think you'd build a society around people doing it, said Buffett. Well, one thing is for sure. On Tuesday, Coinbase said the 3 altcoin tokens would be available only for inbound transfer on Coinbase Pro. The professional-level trading service offered by Coinbase Trading is due to launch in 3 phases: post-only, limit-only, and then full trading. Coinbase said in a statement, "If at any point one of the new order books does not meet our assessment for a healthy and orderly market, we may keep the book in one state for a longer period of time or suspend trading as per our trading rules." Liquidity is important in cryptocurrency, and in the world of finance more widely, it is a measure of how easy it is to trade a given asset. Now, such as a cryptocurrency token, without affecting its price. For this reason, traders tend to prefer markets or assets that have good liquidity, because it means it is easy to buy and sell on those markets. According to CoinMarketCap, on the other hand, it may be difficult to buy and sell tokens with bad liquidity. Bad liquidity may also mean the token's price would change if it is traded. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are considered to have good liquidity, according to Binance, which is reflected in their high trading volumes. However, Binance states that many other coins face a significant lack of liquidity in their markets, and says this is especially important when it comes to trading altcoins. Let's analyze what happened with Dogecoin on Robinhood. Dogecoin has soared almost 200 to a new all-time high of 0.392, riding a broader wave of interest in cryptocurrencies that has been cresting in recent days. The cryptocurrency, which first started up as a joke in 2013, now has a market cap of more than $50 billion. Thanks to the recent surge, it puts the coin in the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies when measured by market capitalization, and above several major banks such as Barclays, which has a market cap of $44 billion. The price of Dogecoin first began surging at the beginning of the year, after Tesla founder Elon Musk began tweeting about it. Popular U.S. retail trading platform Robinhood, which was at the center of the GameStop and Ant trading dramas at the start of the year, on Thursday accused by users of restricting trading in Dogecoin. Users said Robinhood had stopped instant deposits for crypto purchases so they could only buy with funds already in their accounts. Robinhood said it took the decision due to extraordinary market conditions. Robinhood has since said it was experiencing issues with crypto trading. It tweeted, "Though we didn't place restrictions on Doge trading, this is false information. Dogecoin's rise has coincided with a surge of populism in financial markets around the world and a revival of interest in cryptocurrencies." Bitcoin and Ethereum, the world's 2 biggest cryptocurrencies, both reached new all-time highs this week, a rally that coincided with the stock market listing of Coinbase. Thanks for watching, guys. This is your crypto news, so subscribe and like.
President Biden signing an executive order this afternoon aimed at cracking down on anti-competitive practices in big tech and other sectors. Initiatives include urging the Federal Trade Commission to challenge prior bad mergers, not challenge by past administrations, and encouraging the FTC to ban or limit non-compete agreements. Joining us now, big technology founder Alex Kantrowitz. Alex, good to see you. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
What do you make about the sentiment behind this executive order and the executive order itself and the teeth that come with it?
Well, the sentiment behind it, I think, is most important. It's happening in this moment where we have Congress writing 6 antitrust bills that are going after big tech, and the FTC installing Lina Khan, who's traditionally been someone who's been skeptical of big tech's power, to come after them. So I think that this is just a signal from President Biden to have more momentum, add more momentum to those efforts. Now, the actual executive order itself, I don't think is that impactful. It reminds me a lot of an April 2016 executive order from President Barack Obama that was all about enforcing the laws that the FTC and the DOJ are there tasked to enforce and restoring competition in America. And did that do very much? No. So I think we should be skeptical of how impactful the executive order itself, but be very serious about the momentum going against big tech in America today.
Well, we've even seen, though, the FTC have its powers highlighted as perhaps limited in recent weeks already. So are we really talking about the only real way to rein them in is via legislation, though?
Well, I think the legislation will help if the FTC is looking to go after big tech. But I wouldn't necessarily say that their power is being fully reined in. I'll note that when the judge threw out the case against Facebook, which you might be referencing, the judge said, you know, FTC, you can go and amend it and bring the case again. The state attorney generals were not allowed to do that because of the statute of limitations. So I think the FTC has more power than a lot of folks are giving it credit for after its case was thrown out against Facebook. And I do think with Lina Khan at the helm, it's going to be more effective than it has been in the past, although admittedly, that's a low bar.
And so, Alex, I do have a question, and we talked about this a little earlier in the show. So often you don't see the big tech stocks being really shook when these new headlines come out, whether it's an executive order or any news about Amazon asking Lina Khan to recuse herself from some of these issues. And Mike Santoli here pointed out, yes, it's often about some of the smaller companies that might have hoped to be acquired by one of these bigger guys. But why isn't there more fear for investors for what might be coming that could change the way these businesses operate?
Yeah, not only has their stock not gone down, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, and Google, their stock all went up today. So I think that shows you what the market thinks of this executive order. I would add that a lot of the fear of regulation is already priced into these stocks. So investors have seen what's happened in Congress. They've seen Lina Khan get installed. And I think they might be paring back a little bit, expecting that there might be some action. But you have to look at the history, right? We've been talking tough about big tech in this country for a number of years, and not much progress has been made. And so you sort of forgive investors for saying, all right, well, the White House was going to